Hello guys, here I am again with the third tutorial of C programming. In previous video we have just learned taking a new file in Turbo C++. Here in this video we will code down our first program to print out hello world on the screen. So I am going to open Turbo C++ and here I am in the same file of previous program or previous video. So let's begin coding. To start or to write down a simple C program, we will have to add the header files or the library files. To do so, we have a keyword that is include and then less than and greater than, and between these we have to mention stdio.h, and I'll be discussing these one by one what are these used for. Okay, then after this we must use conio.h and then void main. Okay, then the curly braces open and close, and it is the body of our program. We will be writing down our entire codes here in between these both curly braces. So we have included header files and now going to add the codes. So we will be in need of three basic functions to print out hello world or hello on the screen. The first one is of course a function. I must go down. Okay, function printf. Printf is the function to print the text on the screen. Okay, to print any screen any text on this screen, we must write that in double quotation marks. So let's do okay, hello, it is 1/8. Okay, it's a simple text I have written. Hello, it is 1/8. And as I said that we will be in need of three simple functions. It is the first function that is going to print hello world, or I must say hello text, and the second function is getch or get a character, and third function must be written on the top as clear screen. So the clear screen is a function to clear the screen, means whatever text is printed in previous time that will be cleared, and printf will do the work of printing the text on the screen, and getch will hold the screen until a character is pressed. So I'm going to compile it, means check if there isn't any error, then we will go for running and checking this program. To compile this, I must go for compiling or click on compile button, or I can do it with alt plus F9 or only F9. Okay, so success means there is no errors or no warnings, and the program is ready to be run. Okay, I'm just going to run it. Here is the text hello, it's 1/8, means the text that we typed here is getting printed same as this. Here till in this video I'm just going to wind up this, but in next video we'll be discussing the clear screen function or getch function or the work of printf or different usages of these, and the header files or the return type and the main function with these braces as well, and we'll be explaining each and everything in next video.